Oh my God, look what that hurricane did. Jesus. Look at that fallen tree. See that over there? That's a fallen tree on our lawn. Jeez, look at the culvert. I'm gonna unclog it now. It's still trickling. This is so much water. And so much debris that fell. Like half the leaves off the tree fell. We have hardly any leaves left. Alright. Let's see, how about this cold? Look at all the sticks that fell. Yeah. That one's only a little bit clogged. Oh, here, I had a spillway. Yeah, I had a spillway over here. Oh my God! What? Look, see the pipe here? Across, it got completely buried. It's so dumb. That is so weird. Let's see where it went. So much silt. It's right next to it here. Oh look, there's the pipe. Alright, at least it's not clogged inside with all this mud. Look, I found the pipe. That is so buried. See here, I had a bridge. It's destroyed. Look at this. This is so cool. It snapped, the tree. So you got the pond. Let's see what happened. Look out there. Is there any water? Oh, there is water. I didn't think there would be water. It looks weird over here. Oh, that tree fell down. No wonder it looks so weird. Alright, we'll take a better look at this tomorrow. Wow. Unclog this. Now it's filled with mud. Oh my God. So much stuff here. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Take a better look tomorrow.